Hey love bugs, welcome to my channel. I'm Navy Marlowe. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. It was a pretty simple look. I'm calling this look a fiery fiesta. You know, get ready for summer look. Get ready for the beach look. Yes. Get ready for that bikini look. Get ready for the margarita. Yes, honey. So I'll show you guys how I did this makeup look along with this head wrap. This was my first time doing a head wrap, and I am pleasantly pleased with how it turned out. So I'll show you guys the whole look. But before we get started, can I ask something of you guys? For those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, can you do that now? Can you go ahead and hit that button now? I'll wait. Okay, just go ahead and, go ahead and hit it now. Okay. We good? Okay. All right. So if you guys want to see this look, stay tuned. I've already done my eyebrows offline. The products that I use will be in the description box below. So I'm starting with the Morphe 35M palette. I am taking the color Play It Cool, and I'm using that as my transition color. Now I'm going to move on to the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this color 518. It's like a tangerine color, and I'm going to use that and blend it in with the transition color to make it a seamless look. Now we're going to move back to the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to take this orange color. This is called Fire Up, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. So next I'm going to go in and cut my crease. I'm using the Too Faced concealer along with a concealer brush. For those of you who don't know, cutting your crease just helps your eyeshadow pop a little bit more. It intensifies the color, and it just makes the color more vibrant. I apologize, you guys. The next step got deleted somehow. What I did in this next step, I took that same Morphe 35M palette and I used the color Bright Eyes, which is that shimmery orange color that you see on my eyelids, and I applied that to my eyelids. This next step, I also applied my liquid eyeliner and my eyelashes. So now I'm going to take the Cover FX blurring primer and apply that to my face. I'm going to use the Lancôme foundation. This is the 24-hour wear. I am in the color 435 Bisque Warm, and I'm just going to use a beauty blender or a beauty sponge, and apply the foundation to my entire face. Next, I'm going to take my favorite concealer of all times next to the NARS concealer. This is the ColorPOP. I am in the color medium dark number 32. I'm going to use this to conceal, and I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out. Next, I'm going to apply some setting powder. I am using the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is the color Kunufa. Now I'm going to take the MAC Mineralize finishing powder. I am in the color dark, and I'm going to use that to wipe away my setting powder. Now I'm going to take the Black Radiance contour stick or foundation stick. This is the color Cashmere, and I'm going to use that to contour. Now I'm going to take the Chanel black eyeliner pencil and apply that to my waterline. Now I'm going to take that same Morphe 35M palette. I'm going to use the same color that I used as my creasing color. The color was Fired Up, and I'm going to use that to smoke out my eye. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe bronzer. This is the color Mega Star, and I'm going to bronze my contoured areas. Next, I'm going to take this NYX California bronzer. I just bought this from Ulta the other day. I really like it. This color is called Sunset Vibes, and I'm going to use my finger to apply it just because the consistency of it is on the thicker side. And then next, I'm going to take this Maybelline contouring palette and use the highlighter color to do a little highlighting. This is more like a bronzy color, I guess you can say, and I'm just going to bronze up my nose and my cheekbone areas and my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to move back to the Morphe 35M palette. I'm going to use this color called Pop Star. It's like a yellow, yeah, it's like a yellow goldish color, and I'm going to apply that to my tear ducts. All right, we are almost done. I'm going to take the Morphe setting spray and set my face. I got my leopard card to go with my leopard scarf, you know, because I be leopard out. Next, I'm going to take the MAC lip liner. This is the color Cork. And then I'm going to take the Juvias liquid lipstick. That was the color Soil. Now I'm going to show you guys how I wrap my hair using this cute scarf that I purchased from Aldo. Well, that is it, ladies and gents. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Is it sizzling? Is it fiery? I think it is. And I am feeling this hair wrap. Can I just say, I think I just may rock hair wraps all summer 19. But go ahead and comment, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.